Increasing a vehicle's ground clearance usually raises its center of gravity, making high-speed stability a challenge. For decades, engineers treated off-road utility and on-road refinement as mutually exclusive goals. The extreme end of that utility spectrum was defined by military requirements. The mandate was sheer survival, not comfort or refinement. When transitioning to civilian use, they maintained that brutalist form and raw capability. They conquered hostile terrain, but remained punishing for the driver. Modern expectations demand a singular platform that seamlessly transitions from a remote mountain trail to a paved city street, without sacrificing performance or comfort. To bridge these two environments, engineers could not simply upgrade an old frame. They had to completely reinvent the architectural blueprint. The exterior surfaces balance these conflicting roles. The front fascia is riped back to reduce drag, while the side profile maintains a high belt line for structural protection. The material contrast serves structural purposes. The deep, high-gloss red finish provides a luxury aesthetic, while the heavy-duty, matte black wheel arches act as a physical barrier for off-road obstacles. At the rear, the aggressive lower bumper and integrated exhausts are positioned to maximize departure angles, ensuring the chassis doesn't bottom out on steep inclines. Even the lighting is engineered for dual purpose. High-end cinematic LED taillights are deeply recessed and protected within a ruggedized structural housing. Inside, the tactical layout of the past is replaced by hyper-premium tactile surfaces, machined alloys, and expansive digital displays. Thick acoustic glass and precise sound deadening create a quiet interior, sitting just inches away from the aggressive external armoring. This is a 5-star sanctuary built directly into a battle-ready shell, waiting to be tested against the elements. Moving from structural theory to dynamic execution, the first physical stress test is high-speed tarmac. Propelling a vehicle with such a massive geometric footprint at highway speeds requires precise aerodynamics and immediate, sustained power transfer to the pavement. To maintain stability under these conditions, the system uses torque vectoring, dynamically distributing power to individual wheels based on immediate grip levels. The environmental variables change instantly in the desert. Deep, shifting sand immediately drops traction to near zero, threatening forward momentum. Here, the aggressive tire treads become a mechanical necessity. They act as rigid paddles, violently displacing material to force the vehicle forward. The platform handles the transition from highway speeds to high-resistance desert crawling, while keeping the interior cabin completely undisturbed. The final environmental extreme introduces dense, unpredictable mud and the sheer vertical drops of a jungle trench. This environment tests the heavy-duty matte bumpers. They absorb kinetic impacts from hidden rocks and roots, acting as a shield for the premium glossy shell above. Sudden changes in ground elevation require adaptive articulation. The independent suspension system continuously reaches and retracts to keep the main chassis stable. During a severe drop, massive physical pressure hits the vehicle's undercarriage. The heavy coil spring compresses to absorb the shock, instantly stabilizing the load. Despite the external chaos, the perspective inside the cabin remains different. The technology displays and refined alloys stay perfectly static. The jungle trench verifies the platform's engineering logic. The environment is forced to yield to the machine. After surviving the tarmac, the sand, and the mud, the vehicle carries the physical evidence of the trials. The physical residue of the environment, layers of thick dust and mud, now interacts with the cinematic lighting and deep red paint. The long-standing choice between off-road capability and luxury comfort has been resolved. This is a machine that carries the quiet, precise environment of a luxury lounge directly through a jungle trench, without losing its cinematic presence. Automotive engineering has reached a point where the distinction between a rugged tool and a luxury object no longer exists.